Welcome to Waiatoto River Safari. I'm Wayne.
And I'm Ruth, and welcome to this amazing Southwestland experience. Two products I'd like to talk to you about today is the Waiatoto River Safari itself, retailing at $199 per person, minimum of 2 hours, cup of tea on board, white bait taster. It is fantastic for FIT. And then we have our group special. That's a minimum of 6, perfect for Christmas functions or incentive tours. That's the standard tour, along with a complimentary barbecue included, local fare. That means crayfish in season, venison, and of course the elusive white bait. So look forward to seeing you soon. We often get asked what sort of people can come on our tour. It's certainly not a thrill ride. It's a beautiful nature tour where you can experience the birds, the flora and the fauna, and it's great for families. We take little babies from around 5 months, and also less mobile people. So we get a lot of folk who have sticks, or sometimes they're even in wheelchairs, and as long as we know, we can cater for everybody. Okay, so we've just finished checking with these lovely guests. They're heading off down to the boat, and we've just been talking about whitebait. So when you come to check in here at Waiatoto River Safaris, you also get all the local tips, and during whitebait season you can buy whitebait opposite our departure point for, I think it's around $70 a kg, so that's pretty cheap. Here, when you check into our office, we just need to do a little bit of paperwork. You get to see some of the beautiful stones that you'll see during the tour, which you are allowed to take with you, as long as you take them out of the boat at the end of the tour. Just a little bit of paperwork. We'd like you to sign in with your name details, and of course the Tracer app at this time of our lives here in the world, and then you're all set to go. So then what we do then is send you off down the road, just as the guests have just gone. Hi, it's Ruth here from Waiatoto River Safari. I'm just giving you an update from our off-boat experience. We're just in the middle of our walk at the moment. Just wanted to share with you this incredible scenery today. Like, we've got that fresh snow up there, and we've got that beautiful river behind me, and I actually just found this amazing stone. It's called Fool's Gold, and it's just so sparkly and beautiful, and we've got some kids here who are throwing stones, and generally being boys will be boys. Yeah, so we've had our beautiful pikelets. My daughter baked some pikelets for the trip, and yeah, I thought we'd just go over and have a quick chat to the folks and see what they think about the boat trip. So guys, what do you think about the boat trip so far?
We absolutely love it.
Amazing.
Come and do it.
Otherwise you miss out.
Yeah, come and do it.
Alright, have a great day.